Gordy and I are going to Glen Helen. He blew up both his bikes last weekend, so he's riding his dad's two-stroke.
That's probably gonna blow up today.
Probably gonna blow up today. Gotta get those chrome wheels.
Rush, then you got Dini Ginger Ale. That was such an epic fail.
Can't park there.
Buddy.
This bathroom's gonna give me an epileptic seizure, dude. What the hell? Fuck! We're at the taco gas station. Let's hit it. There's my truck.
Oh, flavor's so bad.
Mine just look like lettuce. Can't see. You got the clips downloading. Fish tacos.
That Pedialyte literally tastes like if you were to put like salmon in water.
That. Bella and I are at the Coliseum Supercross. It's our first time. I just smashed Amani. Sponsor me, please. It's our first time here. It's gonna be sick. The track looks so cool. Yeah, it's like every weekend we're going to some dirt bike race, but it's gonna be sick. a cool fit you got there.
Thanks.
I'm starting the game. That one doesn't work. I don't know what that kid's doing. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Look. I'm gonna fall. Look, 50%. Let's go. Ready?
You suck.
What's your name? Ryan? Who's your favorite rider? Tomac? Who do you think's gonna win tonight? Tomac? We just saw Danny Duncan, but he ran away before he could get a pick. And now we're like rushing. But now we gotta like rush over to our seats because it's like a 10-15 minute walk and it's about to start. Woo.
Tiptoe around there, Dan. Almost a close call. But look at this. Out front right now. I think that is the out. Brilliant start right here. Tommy out, the two-time MX2. Jimmy or MX2 World Champion. Takes control of the position now.
What do you think about that?
Kate is down for the Kate is down for the Make sure you get good.
What was your favorite section of this track?
Going down the long hill. Gold Coast, Australia.
Man, oh man, what is it like here in the States, especially here at the Super Motocross World Final? Pretty
That could be you.
The skill these young riders already display.
Here's how I love you guys. Thank you. You guys pushed me to be this championship. And guys, that's all I love you guys, man. This is insane. My first year at a championship, man. This is a dream come true.
Steffi as well. Think he's having a little fun, Dan. He's having a lot of fun. Jed Lawrence up on top.
That's a wrap for the 2023 Super Motocross. Jet won the World Championship. He got $1 million. And then for 250, the winner got 500,000. That's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy.